Whoa, don't snatch my wig, boo. Can you say wig? Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ty. If you've been here before, welcome back. My last video was about 35 minutes long, so we're just gonna hop right into it. If you are interested in this makeup look that I got using the chocolate bars, the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, stay tuned. And I also show you how I create this lip. This lip was actually inspired by Black Moon Cosmetics Cider and Clarity Cosmetics Ugg Boots, I believe, is the other one. And to be 100% honest, I hate ordering stuff online. I really do. I like to be able to return stuff inside a store. So I mixed the yellow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and this one here, which is number 8, I think it says. Yeah, number 8. And I got this beautiful, I don't even know what this is, but what I love about it is I'm able to make it as bright or as dark and toned down as I want to, and that is why I absolutely love this. Again, if you're interested in this look, and I give you a nude lip option too. I'm not a nude girl, but you know, you gotta do it for the people. Gotta do it for the people. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, this would be my lip option, and I wanted to match my headband. So, boom. Okay, let's get into it. It's taking too long. Okay, bye. Okay, starting off, I already have my face primed with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer and the Smashbox Primer Oil. You will see me setting my face with the Kat Von D Translucent Setting Powder. My skin is dry, actually, but I tried this once before and it really smoothed out my large pores. I don't know how I have dry skin and large pores at the same time, but you know, trying something new. You see me patting it all the way in so that it blends in with my skin. I am not caking it on there so that you see a bunch of white residue. I don't think that's really good for my skin, seeing as to how it's dry. I am now dusting off the excess and going in with the Amazing Cosmetics concealer and corrector duo as a primer. Going in with the cream shade in the Bonbons palette, which is Divinity, and I am caking it on for my transition and as a base for my eyeshadow. All right, going in with a Sephora Jumbo Pencil in the color Marine. I'm going to be putting that on the outer and inner corners of the eye, and I'll be winging it out as well. Don't ask me what made me actually apply this first instead of applying my transition colors, but you know, again, daring to be different today. So now I am blending out that marine shade with an Anastasia brush that just came with one of the palettes. Blending and buffing it out, trying to make those edges a little less harsh. Now I'm going in with Boudoir in the palette. It's like a rich brown, almost a brick shade, but a little bit more brown. And I am blending out the edges of that cream shadow I just placed down. And then I'm going to blend it out with Mocha, which is right beside Boudoir. Okay, so I'm just blending out the edges of each shade, building and blending. All right, so now I'm going in with dark truffle just to give it a little bit more definition and to blend it out. Oh, excuse me, I think that's praline. I think I went in with praline to blend out boudoir and mocha. All right, so now I'm adding this Earl Grey shade, which is at the bottom of the palette. And I'm just patting and swiping it over the marine blue. Okay, so in the center, I am going to pop Cafe au lait. Just using my finger. And then I'm going to go in with a doe foot applicator brush just to pack on a little bit more color. Okay, went in with that Earl Grey again just to blend out the edges of the Cafe au lait. And there's that doe foot applicator. Okay, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape just to clean up my eyebrows in the shade Tan. Applying it with my MAC 224 brush and blending it out with my fingers. Okay, just taking a makeup wipe, cleaning up those edges to give me a nice sharp edge. I will be applying the Totally Fetch pink eyeshadow at the bottom of the palette underneath my eye. And then applying the Kat Von D Trooper liner afterwards. So back to the face. I went in with the CoverFx foundation in 70. Again, going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Blending, blending, blending. I'm going to go in with my favorite contour at the moment, which is the Sonia Kashuk in Rich Bronze. Boom. And then I just blend it out with a dual fiber brush. All right, as I stated before, going in with a synthetic dual fiber brush, going in on the forehead, contouring those cheeks. If y'all know what sound that is, let me know in the comments. Oh, but let me show you how to get rid of that double chin, honey. Look at that jawline. Yes! Whoa! That's a contour. In case you were wondering, that's a contour. Amen. Be a better hype man to yourself than DJ Khaled to Beyonce. If you don't do it for yourself, who will? All right? So just going in, diffusing and blending, going back in with my Sephora sponge. I don't know if I call that a beauty blender. It sounds like something I would do, but that is definitely a beauty sponge from Sephora. And there is that Totally Fetch shade I mentioned earlier. So just placing and tapping the color and then blending it out with a domed brush. Okay, so now I'm going in with Blackcurrant, placing it on the inner corners And I will also tap Satin Sheets on top of that just to brighten it up. And boom. So it went from a deep grape purple to a little bit more of a lilac sort of color. You can kind of tell the difference. Boom. So again, going in with that Kat Von D liner and Trooper. Doing a nice, thin, somewhat natural line. Following the exact same line that I cleaned up to make it super easy. So if you are not that great at wing liner, this is a very easy, cheap way to get you a nice, clean, crisp line. Okay, going in with the NYX Eyeliner Pencil. My camera died. I don't know why this is a thing for me, but my camera always seems to die. But I lost the footage of me putting it in my eyes, and the lashes I am using are the Bronze Lashes by Allure. Very pretty, look at those. Alright, and for my lip combo, for the nudes at least, this is Trick Liner by OCC. And then I'll be going in with the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Collection Chocolate Honey Lipstick. Hi, little boy. What you mad about, kid? Why your mouth so nasty? Babe! Babe! Why your mouth so nasty? Why your mouth so nasty? Huh? Baby, you got a baby wipe for his mouth?
Yeah, let me get all of that right now.
Mouth. You got more stuff around your mouth than I do. No. Yeah. Mess up all my lipstick. No, alright, you so good, you so good. Nothing on the side of your face though. Hey, booby. My mommy, big boy. Hey, booby. Whoa, don't snatch my wig, boo. Can you say wig? Okay, so I'm back and I'm feeling myself. Jam session continued. This is what it looks like. Actually, no, I'm getting ready to lie. I'm getting ready to put on some highlight. I'm getting ready to put on La Peach by Jackie Aina and Artist Couture. Still jamming. Okay, so this is what the final look looks like with the nude. Again, Nude is not necessarily my color, so I'm just here so I don't get fined. Boom! Now this is the life that I am about. I went in with the Anastasia palette, as I stated before, with the primary yellow shade and number 8. Boom, boom. And I'm going to give you just a little bit of a demonstration on how much I use, or even how much you need just to get the product to pay off. Like literally that little bit. I use more than that for my entire lip, but this is just for the demonstration. So mixed it up. That's the color it gives me, and you just apply. I love this palette, man. I really do. Talk about things that have saved me money over a period of time. This is literally paid for itself. All right, now we go into the slow-mos. Thank you so much for dealing with my antics. I apologize again for the super duper long video. This is my shortest video yet, so yay, I'm a real YouTuber, mom. Yes. So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Tell me what you think about this lip combo. I know it is not the norm, but I absolutely love it. Show some love. Let me know how you feel, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.